Well, you see that empty seat right over there? He's back to school. It has been a busy summer. We have been non-stop going. I'm sitting in front of the library, gonna post this update and show you what we've been doing. Lots of gardening, lots of bringing things down to the property and trying that process. Little Red Riding Hood back there. Anyway, I will try to get more videos up. I've missed everybody. I still don't have any internet. We are getting a Wi-Fi deal from the library. They've got this thing called MiFi that they let you check out, and I'm on the wait list for. When I get that, I will come and get caught up with everybody. I miss you all, and enjoy this montage of things we've been doing.
Potatoes, potatoes, la 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 la. I like potatoes, potatoes, potatoes. I like potatoes.
Until next time, bye.